Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from NOKIA device to HMD Pulse Pro. Begin by launching Play Store on both to get free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to use it, click on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this pop-up about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of NOKIA and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of HMD. Also on NOKIA, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files to transfer. I will go with only a couple, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom and choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then hit Receive. If you want to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close an app. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!